All right, next question here is, I heard and I watch people say, I have heard and seen people say, I got this for my garden and it was free. Where are you all finding this free stuff at?
I feel like this was a question made for me.
Okay.
So I taught Joey how to pick up free stuff on the side of the road.
Right. We still got the chair in the attic.
Yeah.
First chair.
Oh, yeah, that chair.
Yeah.
That's right. And I've been picking up free stuff on the side of the road. I watched my parents do it. I've been doing it for my whole life. So, yeah, you can find stuff on junk day. You can find stuff on trash day. A lot of people put their trash out, especially on long weekends. Mm-hmm. You have like a 3-day weekend, like a government, whatever, holiday weekend, like Memorial Day, Labor Day, whatever. People will put their stuff out after that weekend because they've cleaned up their garage, etc. And you can find that stuff. You can also a lot of times find stuff now on Facebook Marketplace. People will have like curbside. Just because it's free, you got to scroll down and read the description because it's the free to get you there. And it's at $50 for this and $60 for right.
that.
You definitely want to make sure you read the fine print on that. And even I believe there's still the free portion of
Craigslist
stuff on the Craigslist. Yeah. So that's another way you can look. Now you're thinking my neighbors don't throw anything out.
You don't know what your neighbors got.
You don't know what your neighbors got. You also sometimes you might have to drive around to other neighborhoods,
right?
And
the rich neighborhoods.
And see, I mean, there's like certain neighborhoods that, yeah, like Joey said, the rich neighborhoods where they don't even realize what they're throwing out. We have a window air conditioner from the rich neighborhoods.
I got a radio alarm salt from the rich neighborhood. We got the shelf that the canning jars run from a rich neighborhood.
Right.
So yeah.
And even if
thank you, rich neighborhood, you may be listening. Thank you.
Even if it's not the rich neighborhood, a lot of people are, always moving, always getting rid of stuff.
Here's the other thing, and you bring up your neighbors. It doesn't hurt. I mean, if you have a good relationship with your neighbors, if you don't like your neighbors, don't do this. Go over. Hey, Roger. Hey, Susie. I'm looking for this item. Do you have this, or do you know anybody that has such an item? 90% of the time they're probably gonna go, oh yeah, we've got it. We never use it. Why don't you just take it? Because it's only sitting in the closet taking up space.
You're absolutely correct. People will give you their stuff if you ask.